The objective was to cover this gas fireplace without demolition. The homeowner purchased the home knowing that she's going to sell and wanted to leave the buyers the option to uninstall the electric fireplace that we installed for her in a massive media wall that's 12 feet tall and 8 feet wide with an 8-foot linear electric fireplace. She wanted to keep the new design very close to the wall without taking up more floor space, and I'm going to show you how we did it. The results are amazing. The customer loves it. I loved it. In fact, the customer was so happy, she hired us to put a ductless mini split in her garage. Let's take a look at what we did. We had our work cut out for us, designing a custom steel frame that could slip over the existing footprint without bringing our new very large fireplace and floor-to-ceiling media wall any further out into the room. Typically in a project like this, we would include demolition of the existing fireplace and all that cast stone that you see around it. In this situation, we had to make sure that everything fit perfectly and our new media wall looked like there was no fireplace behind it. Leaving a functional gas fireplace behind another fireplace was a non-starter. It wasn't even an option. The first thing we had to do was safely cap off the gas line. We also didn't want any draft or critters or anything to be able to come down the old chimney, so we had to cap that off and make sure that it was going to be easily replaced should somebody decide they wanted to use that fireplace again and remove the media wall. There was another reason that we chose a custom steel frame here that could be removed with some minor drywall touch-up and paint. They could go back to the gas fireplace that was behind it. Some of the other things that were included in this project were running a new electrical circuit, which actually proved to be a little bit more difficult than it typically is because of a turret in the middle of the home. But we managed to figure out how to get our 240 volt circuit there so the client could enjoy the full heat function of this new electric fireplace. We also were installing all the audio-visual equipment. The client purchased a larger TV and a surround system with a sound bar we mounted with all cords hidden. So we had to incorporate into our frame a way to support a very large TV and that sound bar. And as you can see here, the design of the frame played a very important role in making this all work out the way it was designed. We have a lot of different finish options at the fireplace. So when our client came in, she had her choice of large format tile, stacked stone, custom metal surrounds, of course drywall textured finishes, and slatted acoustic wall panels, which are very popular. We have 24 different color options to choose from. She decided on these beautiful Hudson mahogany slatted wall panels, which really complemented the rest of the room, the flooring color, and the custom cornice that we have built for the top to match her kitchen cabinets. The customer decided on a one-of-a-kind custom-built cornice we all lovingly referred to as a crown, because that's what it looked like sitting on top of this media wall 12 feet in the air due to its enormous size. To match the existing kitchen cabinets, we built the top out of a white birch wood. It was built strategically to not only support the weight of the overhang, but to hide the lights with something that was going to sit out that much wider than the frame itself. Typically, when we build a cornice, we build it tighter in closer to the frame. But our client wanted a real statement piece to perfectly match the kitchen cabinets and tie the room together. We totally agreed with her design, and we went to work building that custom cornice specifically for this job. For the final touches, we replaced her existing chandelier with a new matching ceiling fan. We also put in some extra features like Philips Hue wireless hub, which enables her to not only control the LED lighting that we put in independently of each other, but it also enables her to add other light fixtures from the Philips Hue system around the rest of the home. Everything was hooked up, including a wireless switch for both light systems. Although the Philips Hue can be operated via their app, we always like to have a manual type switch in case you don't have your phone and you just want to shut off your lights quickly. After getting all the finishing touches together, including getting the TV mounted and positioned in the right place, programmed properly, installing the surround sound, and getting that all hooked up and working properly, we also hooked up the app for the fireplace, which in this case is a Modern Flames Landscape Pro Multi. We're super happy with the way this came out, mainly because she was so happy with the way this came out. If you're in the Phoenix metro area, we have a showroom in Mesa, Arizona, with over 28 working fireplaces, and we offer design and installation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.